Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Ganesh. Today we are talking about the swap space. So actually what swap is the concept in the Linux environment. So basically whenever our physical memory is full on the server, or you can say the out of memory, so that time the swap space is comes in the picture. So if suppose the system needs more memory resources and the RAM is full, so that means that inactive pages, whatever the inactive page in the memory, so that can be moved into the swap space. So this swap space is arrived from this hard drive. Basically it is slower as compared to the physical memory. So using this hard disk we can create the swap space, or also we can use the another concept, that is the file concept. So using the file we can create the swap space. So using this swap on space hyphen yes command we can check the swap, how many swaps are available and their priority. So there is one swap is available. Now I am creating the another swap using this file concept. So just I am creating the one file, that is slash swap, using this touch command and giving this command, that is dd space input file is equals to, giving this path slash db slash 0 space output file is equals to, I am giving the file name, that is slash swap space. Here we need to mention the count. I'm giving this count is that is 100, and before this count we need to mention their block size, that is using this bs is equals to, I'm giving suppose 2m. So this 2m is multiplied with this count, that is 100, that means this count is 200 MB. That means this swap size is creating 200 MB. So I'm just entering. Now this file is now created for this 210 MB. Now I am using the command make swap mk swap space slash swap. Now I am making this entry, and first using this swap on space swap. Just I am going to on that swap using this command. Now I am making this entry under this slash etc slash rc dot local. We are making this entry as permanent under this file. Shift G, delete, insert, that is swap on space slash swap. This is the location we have created that swap file. Now I have saved that file. Now just I am checking using this slash proc slash swap. Now this swap is now created using the file, and it's having the priority, that is -2, and I just am now I'm yeah, yes baby. Now I'm checking it using this swap on space hyphen yes. This is the command you can check, and another command, that is free space hyphen yum. So if suppose you want to extend your memory in the environment, so using file you can create the new swap size, and it will use to sustain your memory for the particular processes which are holding the processor from the physical memory. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys.